Hi, I'm Mike Nelson, and I want to thank you again for choosing Carolina In-Home Flooring and Design Center to sell and install flooring in your home. We appreciate your trust in us, and we value your opinion regarding the work we've done for you. Repeat business and referrals are extremely important to us. Our market is very competitive, and our goal is to stand out from our competitors with high-quality work and exceptional customer service. If this was your experience with us, we ask that you do 3 simple things. First, you'll soon receive an email from us with links to review sites where you can share what your experience with us was like. Your favorable comments would mean a lot to us, as future business often depends on past success as told by previous customers. Secondly, we'll stay in touch with you with occasional emails containing promotional offers along with some useful information. Be sure to read these emails and know that we won't bombard you with useless communications. Finally, if you have friends and/or neighbors who are considering new flooring in their homes, please let them know about us. When you do and they purchase from us, we'll send you a Visa gift card as our way of saying thanks. Thank you again for your business.